Assalamu alaikum friends. How are you? I hope you are fine as well. Welcome to my channel. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell icon. 1. Good morning. 2. Good day to you, sir. 3. He is still not well. 4. Well, don't keep it up. 5. I will call you later. 6. I will catch you. 7. Please give me your hand. 8. Get out of my sight. 9. I did not understand. 10. What do you mean? 11. What are you talking about? 12. Could you stay away from my stuff? 13. I am sorry. 14. I am feeling tired today. 15. It is none of your business. 16. I don't know. 17. We both like each other. 18. Come quickly. 19. Talk to you later. 20. Thank you very much. 21. What is your problem? 22. Can you ask something? 23. I was nice meeting you. 24. How are you? 25. What's going on? Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.